Good afternoon, I'm Tom Tucker. Coming up, we interview a man who went a whole Hawaiian vacation without giving a hang loose sign in a picture and also didn't do the lay joke. You won't believe this incredible story. Oh, wait, he's a Japanese man? Doesn't speak English. So he just didn't know.
Happy birthday, Brian!
We bought you a cake with the groceries, so I got
This is a test of the emergency alert system serving the Nemacolin Valley Tri-State area. This system is used to provide information in the case of emergencies. If this were an actual emergency, news and important information would follow the alert tone. No action is required. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Like not you making it.
Someday I'll be gone, and it'll be like I was never here at all.
Aw, he is depressed.
sad little guy.